Good day, ma'am. What can I help you? How many days your cough and cold? I check your temp, ma'am. Here, wait a minute, ma'am. Alright, it's 38 degrees. 38 degrees Celsius. Your temp, ma'am, is mild. Alright, may I know it's ng discharge watery? Okay, no. For now, I check your eyes, please. Oh, your eyes is get some redness. I think that you have common colds and cough. This one is for your cough and cold. You just take a med, 2 tablets 3 times a day. Here, your tablet. You doesn't have any allergy, ma'am. Okay. And then I have to advise if your condition haven't improved after 2 weeks, like your cough and runny nose haven't improved, I recommend you to go to your doctor. I refer to your doctor. Thank you. Here's your med, ma'am. Use it. Thank you.